Welcome to ChatSmart English, your go-to channel for mastering English speaking skills with confidence. In today's video, we'll explore practical tips and techniques to help you improve your English fluency and pronunciation. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate learner, this video is packed with valuable advice, including how to build your vocabulary, practice daily routines, and avoid common speaking mistakes. We'll also share fun and interactive exercises that will make learning English enjoyable and effective. So stay with us till the end and don't miss out on any of these essential tips. English is not just a language. It's a powerful tool that can open doors to countless opportunities worldwide. Whether you're aiming for a better job, higher education, or simply the ability to connect with people from different cultures, improving your English is a step toward personal and professional growth. In this video, we'll dive into some practical and effective ways to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. So, if you're ready to sound confident and clear when speaking English, stay tuned until the end. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's start improving your English together. Understanding the importance of speaking practice. Before we jump into the methods, let's address a common challenge many learners face: the fear of speaking. It's perfectly normal to feel nervous, but remember, practice makes progress. The more you practice speaking, the more comfortable you'll become. Start small by talking to yourself in English. Describe your day, your goals, or even your favorite movie. This habit will help you think in English and reduce hesitation over time. Improving pronunciation. Step by step, one of the key aspects of speaking fluently is clear pronunciation. To improve this, start by listening carefully to native speakers. Pay attention to how they pronounce words, their intonation, and the rhythm of their speech. Watching English movies, listening to podcasts, or tuning into audiobooks can be very helpful. Try imitating what you hear. Pause the audio, repeat the sentence, and mimic their tone and stress patterns. This technique is called shadowing, and it's highly effective for improving both pronunciation and fluency. Additionally, focus on tricky sounds. For example, English has sounds like the in think, or this that might not exist in your native language. Practice these sounds slowly, and over time, your muscles will adjust to produce them naturally. Apps and online resources, such as pronunciation guides, can help you master these difficult sounds. Building speaking fluency. Fluency is not about speaking fast. It's about speaking smoothly and confidently. Start by learning common phrases and expressions that are frequently used in daily conversations. For instance, instead of struggling to form sentences from scratch, learn ready-made expressions like, "How's it going?" or "Could you repeat that, please?" These phrases can boost your confidence and make your speech sound more natural. Another helpful method is practicing with language partners. If you don't have access to native speakers, join online platforms where learners connect to practice English. Remember, mistakes are part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to make them, because each mistake brings you closer to improvement. Building confidence in speaking. Confidence is the backbone of effective communication. One way to build it is by setting realistic goals. Start with short sentences and gradually move to longer conversations. For instance, begin with self-introductions. My name is your name, and I'm learning English. Practice saying this in front of a mirror. Visualizing yourself speaking fluently can boost your self-assurance. Another effective technique is recording yourself. Speak on a topic for 1 to 2 minutes, then listen to your recording. This helps you identify areas for improvement, such as mispronounced words or awkward pauses. Over time, you'll notice significant progress in both your confidence and delivery. To push your limits, engage in role-playing. Pretend to be in a restaurant, at a job interview, or meeting someone for the first time. Practice how you would respond in English. These mock situations can prepare you for real-life interactions and reduce anxiety when speaking to others. Expanding vocabulary for fluency. A strong vocabulary is essential for fluent speaking. Start by learning words and phrases that are relevant to your daily life. For example, if you're a student, focus on academic terms. If you're a professional, learn workplace vocabulary. Use flashcards, apps, or even sticky notes around your house to remember new words. Reading is another powerful tool for vocabulary expansion. Choose simple English books, articles, or blogs, and highlight unfamiliar words. Look up their meanings, and then try using them in sentences. For example, if you learn the word challenge, practice saying, "Learning English is a challenge, but I enjoy it." However, don't just memorize words, focus on their usage. Learning phrases like, "on the other hand," or "as a matter of fact," can make your speech more fluent and natural. This approach also helps you avoid the awkward pauses that occur when you're searching for the right word. Creating a daily practice routine. Consistency is the key to mastering English. Developing a daily practice routine ensures steady progress and keeps you motivated. Begin by setting aside 15 to 30 minutes each day for focused practice. Divide your time into different activities. 1. Listening. Practice. Spend 5 to 10 minutes listening to English content such as podcasts, audiobooks, or YouTube videos. Focus on understanding the context and picking up new phrases. 2. Speaking practice. Dedicate another 10 minutes to speaking out loud. You can talk about your day, describe objects around you, or practice answering common questions like, "What are your hobbies?" or "What did you do today?" 3. Reading and writing. Use the remaining time to read short articles or stories and write a summary of what you've read. This will improve your understanding and give you topics to talk about during your speaking practice. Using technology to your advantage. Leverage technology to enhance your learning. There are countless apps designed to improve your English. Apps like Duolingo, Cambly, and HelloTalk provide interactive exercises and opportunities to connect with native speakers. You can also use YouTube channels like ChatSmart English for structured lessons and tips. Speech-to-text tools can also be useful. Try dictating a paragraph in English using these tools and see how accurately it transcribes your words. This will help you identify areas where your pronunciation needs improvement. Don't forget about online language communities. Joining forums, social media groups, or language exchange programs can expose you to real-life conversations and give you the confidence to interact with others. Avoiding common speaking mistakes. When learning English, it's natural to make mistakes. However, being aware of common errors can help you avoid them and improve faster. One frequent issue is translating directly from your native language. English has its own structure and expressions, so it's better to think in English rather than translate word for word. For example, instead of saying, "I am having a cold," the correct expression is, "I have a cold." Another common mistake is incorrect word stress. English relies heavily on stressed and unstressed syllables. For instance, in the word record, stressing the first syllable, record, makes it a noun, while stressing the second syllable, record, turns it into a verb. Practicing word stress can make your speech clearer and more natural. Additionally, many learners avoid speaking for fear of grammar mistakes. While grammar is important, don't let the fear of making errors stop you from speaking. The goal is communication, not perfection. Over time, with practice, your grammar will improve naturally. Staying motivated throughout your journey. Learning English is a journey, and staying motivated is crucial. Celebrate small victories, like learning 5 new words or completing a conversation without hesitation. These achievements remind you of your progress and keep you focused on your goals. Set clear, achievable objectives. For example, aim to learn 10 new phrases each week or practice speaking with a language partner twice a week. Having measurable goals gives you a sense of direction and accomplishment. Surround yourself with English. Change the language settings on your phone to English, watch movies with English subtitles, and follow English-speaking content creators. Immersing yourself in the language will make learning feel more natural and enjoyable. Lastly, remind yourself why you started. Whether it's for career opportunities, travel, or personal growth, keeping your purpose in mind will drive you to keep going even when it feels challenging. Interactive exercises to practice. English practical exercises are one of the best ways to make steady progress in English. Here are some interactive activities you can include in your daily routine. 1. Role-playing conversations. Imagine different real-life situations, such as ordering food at a restaurant or asking for directions. Write down potential dialogues and practice saying them out loud. If possible, involve a friend or language partner to make it more engaging. 2. Question and answer drills. Prepare a list of common questions, such as, "What's your favorite hobby?" or "Where do you live?" Practice answering them in complete sentences. Then switch roles and try asking these questions as well. This exercise builds both your speaking and listening skills. 3. Storytelling. Pick a topic or event and narrate it in English. For example, talk about a memorable trip or describe a funny incident from your day. Focus on speaking clearly and confidently, even if you make mistakes. Storytelling improves fluency and trains you to organize your thoughts. 4. Shadowing practice. Choose a video or audio clip with subtitles. Play a short segment, pause, and repeat exactly what you hear, mimicking the speaker's pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. This exercise is excellent for improving pronunciation and intonation. 5. Vocabulary challenges. Write down 5 new words or phrases you want to learn. Use each word in a sentence and say the sentences out loud. Repetition helps you remember the words and feel more comfortable using them in conversation. Engage with a community. Practicing English with others makes learning more enjoyable and effective. Join online platforms like language exchange websites or social media groups for English learners. Participate in discussions, share your progress, and learn from others. Speaking with people from different cultures also exposes you to various accents and speaking styles. Remember, the goal of these exercises is to make English a part of your daily life. Regular practice will transform your confidence and fluency over time. Conclusion: the path to fluent and confident English. Improving your English speaking skills is a journey that requires consistency, patience, and the right approach. In this video, we've explored essential strategies to help you become a more confident and fluent speaker. Let's quickly recap the key points. Start by practicing regularly, even if it's just 15 to 30 minutes a day. Break your routine into listening, speaking, reading, and writing activities to ensure balanced progress. Focus on improving your pronunciation through shadowing exercises and learning tricky sounds. Mimicking native speakers will refine your accent and intonation. Build your fluency by learning and practicing common phrases, engaging in conversations, and not letting fear of mistakes hold you back. Remember, communication is the ultimate goal. Expand your vocabulary with relevant words and phrases, and use them actively in your daily conversations. Avoid common speaking mistakes by thinking in English instead of translating and practicing proper word stress and grammar. Stay motivated by celebrating small wins, setting achievable goals, and immersing yourself in English through media and technology. Practice interactive exercises like role-playing, storytelling, and shadowing, and connect with other learners to make the process more enjoyable and effective. Improving your English might feel challenging at times, but every small step you take brings you closer to fluency. Be consistent, stay curious, and never stop practicing. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to ChatSmart English for more valuable content. Share this video with your friends and family who are also looking to improve their English speaking skills. Leave a comment below letting us know which tip you're excited to try first, and make sure to check out our other videos to continue your journey towards fluency. Together, let's master English and speak with confidence. See you in the next video.